Hi. Today I'm discuss topic about that how to link a WhatsApp live chat button on multiple Facebook page with the same number option. So what are the chat option will be given by the Facebook page? Is it applicable or not? And here any kind of Facebook page option, when you go to setting option will be here. The option will be given for the WhatsApp chat will be activation. Which one? WhatsApp chat will be activation. In this WhatsApp chat activation will be two types of option will be there. Facebook and the particular WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. WhatsApp business purpose, anybody can chat message, automatic reply purpose. This will be, WhatsApp will be, is a normal number, is a business number. How will be activate for the particular pages? Every Facebook page, they showing in the setting option, they will show option will be called WhatsApp option will be there. If you already link with your WhatsApp, they're showing for number. If I'm connecting for disconnect option here. If you're not connected, you can connect will be here. Connection will be compulsory received by WhatsApp messenger will be get the message. Without message OTP, we can't verify it. This WhatsApp button, suppose if you're not showing your Facebook page option, you're not showing for your Facebook page option. We have to check for your mobile also. You can check for your mobile also. The mobile, what are the page you design, we can adding the button will be in a particular Facebook page also. Now here first time go to Facebook page. Guys, further any questions are required, please ask me. Different will be help in the particular WhatsApp messenger button issues. Lot of people are asking about that. In this, so I'm unable to add the WhatsApp chat button, like certain things are here. If suppose in your messenger will be not supporting for your particular things, first delete this button. First delete this button. Simple. If you go to your mobile application, so they will be coming to your mobile application. Just here I'm opening my mobile option in this. Give me a second, it will be connected here. Connected your mobile phone. Here click for button, add button option. Here the lot of options are there. In the we can activate for the WhatsApp option. Now I'm showing two options by using here. Just I enter my mobile number here. So we enter the mobile number. Click for send code option. So you receive the code will be in your particular WhatsApp here. I'll show you how we can receive the code also. So your code will receive by your in this particular WhatsApp option. In this, I have received by code will be here 25798. Click for continue. Add your button. Button will be here. Show on your page. Coming to your page. The button visible by in this Facebook page option. Facebook page option. Suppose Facebook page does not support. Go to your mobile option. Click for add button. In this add button, they're showing for number of features here. In this selecting for your particular option will be called WhatsApp. Selecting for WhatsApp. Here they're showing for your set up the WhatsApp number. Set up the WhatsApp number. Now click for continue. I'm update the number. Click for send code. Same will be received. The code will be here. I'm showing you here code. I'm activate the code option. So code was received 12659. Just I'm enter here. Click here. Set this option 12659. To activate the button will be here on the particular Facebook page. So will be setup will be through phone and through Facebook page desktop option. In this clear, to activate will be here. Previous, this button will be not any button will be there. Now will be the active for the WhatsApp chat button. So people will any response, they give the WhatsApp chat button. If you're not linking for one mobile number will link number of accounts, then certain limits will be not available. They can give by n number of Facebook page will connecting for one WhatsApp number will be possible. So this is way to activate from the through desktop through mobile option. So finally you can chat with the customer, click here and you can chat with the particular WhatsApp option. So what are the insight will be there? Everything will be checked for your particular option will be here. So that all will be click for view insight option. Choose different button also. We can different button will be used and same button will be used on the particular WhatsApp. For the any request, is any kind of issues on in this, please come to ask my channel on the particular Digital Rakesh channel here. So every questions I'll reply from here, and if you for the any request for the any question will be there about WhatsApp or Facebook, please comment me. I'll definitely make the video, upload it and explain by clearly on the particular our channel. Thank you for watching.